everybody, Ford driver here. I am on the freeway about to head home. I'm coming in from Pennsylvania. I'm actually going to try one of the modes. I'm going to try comfort mode since that's a better mode on the freeway or highway. So one of the modes actually has to feel it. So I'm on normal right now. As you can see, I'm on normal. I'm going to switch it to comfort mode. Alright, so I think that's downwards, I think, right? Let me check. Down. Comfort mode. Okay, I feel a difference in terms of oh wow, the suspension's a lot softer. Okay, it's not bad. It's not as okay. It's hard to tell. Wait, let me go back to normal. Let's do a real test with that. Okay, I felt the difference. Okay, so the suspensions are a little bit softer. Let me go here. Okay, yeah, it feels smoother actually. I do feel a difference. I like the blue when it comes up. Okay. You know what? There's an underpass. That's an overpass. Let me see. Let me feel the difference. Ah, I feel that as well. Okay, so that's normal. There's another, I believe, an overpass. Oops, sorry, lane departure. It's coming soon. So the difference between normal, how I feel right now. Okay, let me do a little bit of acceleration for normal. It doesn't accelerate as okay. That's a difference. That I can feel a difference, because when I push a little bit, it doesn't accelerate as it's not as responsive, is it? It's just responsive, but it's slower, because I guess for comfort it's more of really taking it easy, cruising, not too crazy with it. Okay, here is an overpass. I'm gonna see. Okay, yeah, I do feel a difference. Yeah. Let me go to normal. Yep. See, I put that, I didn't change at all, but it has more of an oomph, more acceleration, more response with the acceleration. And then with comfort, yep, it dipped down a bit. I like the blue. Blue's my favorite color. Okay. So yeah, I can see why it's the difference. I feel the difference, and I bet for more of a miles per gallon, more of a saving for all that, you know. So definitely comforts. Okay, I feel kind of a difference. Not kind of a difference. Definitely a difference that is noticeable. See, I don't accelerate as hard. My foot is on the gas, and then when I change to normal, yeah, okay, you can feel that it has more of an acceleration than comfort, because comfort just wants you to take it easy, nothing too crazy with it. So, okay, that's not bad. Wow, suspension is a lot smoother. Yeah, I definitely feel the suspension, since this road, especially on 78, it has some it's uneven. Okay, and then with suspension, yeah, you do feel some difference. It's smoother when it's a comfort mode. Okay, yeah, I do. I feel it. It definitely is smoother. Wow, that's really that's cool. My first car having these sort of modes, depending on what type of driver you are. I know next video I'll make a sport. I'll do it in sport next time, but that deserves winding roads and all that. All right, this guy's just hogging. All right, now you're gonna be in front of me, but I feel a noticeable difference. Okay, I'm in comfort mode. Curious about what do you guys use, the ones that own an Acura Integra specifically, or any Acura or any car that has these type of modes. What modes do you usually have for highways or any of that? Let me know, comment below. let me know. I might use that more frequently. Let's see how I could accelerate. It's kind of tougher, a little bit tougher accelerating, I'm not gonna lie, in comfort mode, because again, it's trying to preserve gas. Higher miles per gallon doesn't go as hard. Let me do normal. Yeah, definitely. And I'm in normal mode. Okay, yeah, there's a definitely noticeable difference in terms of acceleration and using the pedal. It's much more responsive in terms of throttle and using its VTEC. Let me pass this car before I go to the other side. Yeah. Can pass right now. Alright. I'll be in comfort mode. I like the blue though. I like the blue. This lane, always stay to the right. Always stay to the right. I know it's a law here in the state of New Jersey, but not everyone, as you can see, is doing it. Also on the freeway sometimes now, I sometimes do the Acura Lane Assist program, but my exit's coming up, so there's no point, and I'm not really on the highway as much, so maybe next time. But yeah, comfort mode. I can see myself using comfort mode, especially during long trips, half an hour, 45 minutes on the highway, expressway, you know. Definitely use comfort mode. I definitely see the difference, but looks like if I have to accelerate, I have to switch to normal mode to make it more responsive, but I understand with the comfort mode. I definitely do. It's more of a good cruising type of style, so. Alright, my exit's coming up. So yeah, that's comfort mode, y'all. Maybe in a few videos I'll use sport mode, but that's for more of back roads and winding roads and everything else. I'll feel the difference, hopefully. But thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care. Have a good day.